ready to transform your WordPress website into an automated powerhouse. Today, we're diving deep into integrating MakeCom with your WordPress site, unlocking a universe of seamless workflows. First, head over to MakeCom, formerly known as Integromat, and create a new scenario. This is where we'll design our automated magic. Click the Add Module button to begin. We'll start by connecting WordPress search for WordPress, and select the official Make WordPress module. Now, choose the specific WordPress trigger or action you want to automate for this example. Let's imagine we want to automatically create a new WordPress post whenever a new row is added to a Google Sheet. So, we'll add another module and search for Google Sheets selected, and then choose the Watch Rows trigger as our starting point. You'll need to connect your Google Sheets account to MakeCom. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, ensuring MakeCom has permission to access your Google Sheets data. Similarly, connect your WordPress site. You'll typically need your WordPress website URL, a username, and an application password for secure authentication. Make sure to generate an application password within your WordPress user profile if you haven't already. Once both modules are connected, you'll map the data fields. This is crucial. You'll tell MakeCom which information from your Google Sheet should populate which field in your new WordPress post. For example, a title column in your sheet can map to the title field in WordPress. Carefully review and map all necessary fields, such as the post title, content, categories, and author. The more precise you are here, the smoother your automation will run. After mapping, save your scenario. Then, for the first time, toggle the switch to turn your scenario on. Now, whenever you add a new row to your designated Google Sheet, a new post will automatically appear on your WordPress website. And there you have it. Powerful automation between your Google Sheets and WordPress, all thanks to MakeCom. Explore different triggers, actions, and app integrations to supercharge your website's capabilities further. Happy automating!